Hello. 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 Right, we are just having a little bit of a chill day today. It's really windy. And we are gonna just, I don't know why I'm circling. We pulled up at Puerto Puerto Lajas, just north of Puerto del Rosario, and there's this lovely bay here. Look at the bay, that is lovely. Wind in our face. It's a bit weedy, so I'm hoping there'll be some bream about in there, so we're going to give that a go for a couple of hours, see if we can catch some fish. So let's give it a go. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Right, so just clipping on this scratching rig, and I've just tied new hook lengths and hooks on because this was from last night. Hooks are from the China shop, €1 for 10 hooks. Let's hope they hold because I haven't got anything else. They're going to have to do. Clip this on and bait this up. So I'm just peeling the prawn, getting the shell off, take the head off, throw that in, and then I'll just pinch it in half like that. We thread it on the hook. And according to the Chinese numbering system on their hooks, these hooks are apparently a size 14. They're more like 2. Right, here we go. The sonic gravity that I use everywhere, the same reel that I use everywhere. 32 kilo leader coming down to my Canarian scratching rig, just a 2-hook clapper basically. With hooks suitable for prawns, and then all I've got on the bottom there, as it's kinked, is a little 5-ounce. Pete's doing the same. He's got the same. He's putting prawn on his now. He's got his Sunset Mytica with a Shimano Ultegra again. So we're both fishing the same. Let's get this out now. Come on, it's a bit snaggy, mate. Whoa, what have I got here? Something's fighting well here. I've got a good fish here, a good fish, Pete. Literally seconds. What have I got? Good bream. Have I got a nice white bream here? Let's have a look. There's a nice fish on here. We've got a nice white bream here, I think. Oh, we've got 2 double header, that's why. Right, so oh, that's a nice bream. That's a gorgeous bream. And then on the bottom hook, it's the first one I've had of these for years. A little blighter. We have a tiny little lizard fish. Very pretty. Look at the chompers on that. Look how pretty that is. Not poisonous. Big ones of these are really nice to eat as well. So I'm going to get a photo quickly and get these back. Right, 2 fish here. Let's put them back. Bye bye bream. He's gone, and bye bye lizard fish. Now the bream's just kicking. There he goes. They've both gone. Let's get another bait out. Pete's just had a good bounce, didn't you, Pete? And Pete was the one that was not impressed by this mark, and he didn't want to come back here when we looked at it. But I just knew this would have decent bream. Give us a shout, mate. Pete's got it. I think he's got it. Oh, he's got snagged. Right. You feel it still?
It's just got solid.
Yeah, you bit a snag with the fish. Put it back in the rest, give it a bit of slack line. Give it 2 minutes and see if the fish pulls you out. Now unfortunately Pete's down there trying to get out of the snag. He's still got the fish, you can feel it, but he cannot get it out of the snag. Right, I've just cast out. I can't really, oh, I've got to bite straight away. Pete's got his out of the snag and he's got a fish. So he's coming back with this fish. It's a half decent fish as well. Oh, he's got a striped bream. Beautiful striped bream. Yeah, it's a nice striped bream, mate. Lovely. What'd you do, lose a hook? That's all right, we'll tie another one on. Let me get this down. I've got a bite. Hold on, we'll get a photo of that, mate, just in your hands. But now I'll show us the picture. I'll show us your fish. Nice little striped bream there, mate. Beautiful markings on that, isn't it? Yeah. Happy with that? First cast?
Yeah.
Okay, mate. What are you going to do? Just put it back? Do you want a little photo? Alright, it's up to you, mate. Right, Pete's going to get this striped bream back. There he goes, back he goes. Well done, mate. It's raining. It is raining. Quite heavy-ish. We are getting very wet. But the rain doesn't stop us catching fish, does it, Pete? I hope not. Oh, it looks bleak as anything over there. Let's hope we're just getting this edge. We are just getting the edge, I think. This went out. I've got to bite straight away on this. I've just cast that. Let's see how quick the bites are this time. Oh, I haven't had a bite yet. Right. Come on, fishes. Oh, there we go, bite. Yeah, something on that. Oh, oh, I can feel that. Oh. Yeah, yeah, we got him. This is good fish. This is better than the last fish. Oh, come on. Oh, this is a nice bream again, mate, I think. Nice bream again. Where is it? Oh, it's gone a bit light. Has he come off? He's come off. No. Oh, he was kicking out there and now he's not at all. There he is kicking inside here. Maybe it's not as big as I thought. Oh, it's a bream though. Oh no, it's a Pandora. A big Pandora. We are going to be running out of bait. Pretty sharpish. There we go. Hey, up. You have? Yeah. Pandora, look at the colours on that. Blue dots and dots all over it. Let's get him unhooked. Just like that. And we'll get him back. Oh, mate. Away with you. I've just had an awesome bite. Took me straight into a snag. Oh my god. We got a win, not a win, no weed. Oh, I've lost a lot. Right, let's get reset up. Oh mate, that was awesome, Pete. The whole rod went over. Right, set up again. New rig, bigger hooks on this, because that's all I've got. I'm trying to hit the sandbar, so I'm going to go. You got it? You got it? Keep it up, Pete. Reel. You got it? Right, let's get this out. See if Pete's got something. Yeah, go on. That's where I wanted to go. Nice. Well, what's Pete? You got a fish, Pete? No. Now, good bites here. Oh, good bites here. It's been a while for this bite. I think the tide's dropping a bit too much, but I've just got a bite. Come on. Come on. Well, unfortunately, I think this has gone. the sea has just disappeared. There we are. It's very shallow there now. So we actually originally came out just to look at this place, and I like the look of it so much. We buzzed back, got baits, come here, and we just wasted so much time. So we're going to come back tomorrow and fish it again. There's 4 hours on this mark on a big tide. That's what we're going to do. We're going to give it 4 hours tomorrow, see if we can get something a bit better. But for now, we're going to pack up.